Let me see some though. Can I get some? Can I get some? Hold on, hold on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can I get some? Come on over here.
What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video, man. As you guys know, it's your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one, man. So we are here, we are still here out here, man, in front of Kiki's, right? We just finished breaking bread, man. We just finished eating. Everybody's full, man. It's a great day, like I said. Look at all these people out here, man. Some people even left to go like get gas and get money and everything else, man. So look at all these people out here. Cool, man. Cool family vibe. Everybody just chilling, like I said. We eating. And now we're getting ready to head up to the show. So bring you guys that footage, man, of us, you know, riding around and getting there and everything else. Like I said, if you guys seen my last video, you will see that, like I said, I'm chopping up this day into pretty much 3 videos because it's just gonna be too much footage that's going on. So right now, man, so we're getting ready to head out in about 5 minutes or so. We're gonna head out and head up to the show, man. So I'm bringing you guys all that rolling footage of us heading out there, man. But real quick before I do that, some other people showed up, man, so we're gonna go meet them real quick and then we're gonna get on the road, man. So let's go. What's up, man? You know I gotta get the dog on YouTube, man. You're gonna be YouTube famous. What's her name?
Tilly.
Tilly.
Yeah.
Hey Tilly, you do something on my car, I'm gonna stab you. Oh, she don't want to be on camera. It's all good. There she go. There you go. What's going on, man? Go ahead. Fatkat, man. Yeah, likewise. You got a Instagram, anything, man? You want anybody to go follow?
Landshark RT. Go follow that.
Landshark
_RT. All
right.
Yeah.
Landshark _RT, man. Make sure you guys go follow that, man. What's up, man? What's going on, bro?
Glenny, man.
What's up? You chilling, man? Yeah. But hey, you got YouTube? Yeah. There you go, man. Vlog on vlog. Oh, man, you gonna hit me with that? I gotta bring out my cards too. You gonna hit me with the card? You know what I'm saying? You gonna hit me with the here, man.
It's easy, though.
Yeah, I got you, man. That's what's up, man. I like that.
It's just link, bro.
So this is it right here. So this is your Instagram.
Yeah.
Instagram at Rook Films. At Rook Films, man. Look at that. Dude, right there. So what kind of stuff you put on your Instagram?
Man, everything, man. I'm freelance. I put everything on there.
So you like a photographer and all that good stuff and all that too?
Make it look the best.
That's what's up, man. I like that.
Making the moment, man. That's
what's up.
Guy right here with the drone photography.
I see it, man. Yeah, we already say we gonna link up to do some footage, man. So for sure. So, all right, man. So make sure you guys go follow this guy as well, man, on Instagram and everything else. You guys already know him, man. We gonna link up and get some good drone footage and all that. All right, man. Let me go see who else we gotta meet up in here. There's a lot of people, man. I didn't know there's gonna be this many people out here. What's up, man? We got my people over here. What's good, man? Got my guys over here in the cut, chilling. As you know, man, modern muscle all day out here.
Modern day muscle right there.
Modern day muscle. I'm sorry. Excuse me before I get cut. Oh, yeah. Modern day muscle, right? And then modern muscle.
Absolutely.
There we go, man. So make sure you guys go check these guys out. Tell them again, man, if they don't remember. Again, tell them the Instagram and everything else.
Yeah, the Instagram's modern_muscle and my YouTube's modern day muscle. All right, man. So just send me a message. I talk to everyone.
There you go, man. So make sure you check him out, man. Check out his channels too, man. He got dope footage on his channel for sure.
Follow me on Instagram, Concrete392.
Concrete392. That's all you want to tell them? Just follow me, man.
Follow me,
and y'all know the rest.
You're gonna see some good content. Just follow me.
Just follow me.
I try and make it lively for everyone.
There you go, man. He definitely got a dope car. I mean, everybody's car is dope, obviously, man. But his is the Destroyer Gray with the green calibers, man. It's super dope, man. I love that contrast, man. It's dope.
Sometime today.
Yeah. You didn't bring it out?
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
There it goes.
I'll be there.
I can't believe I missed that. Yeah, man. That car is super dope, man. It's always clean too. And we already got him, man. But tell him one more time.
Follow me at the Juice392 on the IG, man.
Juice392.
Make sure y'all guys follow Modern Muscle on Facebook also, all right?
There you go. Like I said, this guy takes pictures of his car. I swear to God, man, one day he took a picture of his car. He put it on it when I first got my car. I was like, yo, who the hell took a picture of my car? I was like, and then I had to look at the name, and I was like, oh, never mind, that's not me.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I thought somebody stole the picture. I was like, who took a picture like in my garage? Man?
Like, yo, they kind of snuck it in.
Yeah, I was like, who was that? Yeah, man. So follow everybody, man. I'm gonna get you. Get you over here. Yeah, I got you. I caught you.
Looking good too.
I caught you.
I had to bring my little home meal cook stuff.
Oh, that's homemade? Oh, look at this guy, Mr. McDonald's over here, man. They got the, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got the sourdough, what is that?
What's it called? English muffin.
English muffin. That's what's
Bacon,
up,
egg,
man.
and cheese, the best.
That's what's up, man. You got an Instagram, anything you got? You want anybody to
my
follow?
Instagram is 392_King. On YouTube, 392_King. So go ahead, follow me, subscribe.
There you go.
I like Fat Cat content. I watch it. Good stuff going on.
I appreciate that, man. That's love, man. That's love, bro. Hey, I appreciate it, man. So definitely, man, make sure I go check them out. Which one's your ride?
The red one.
The red one. Oh, the red SRT. Okay, I see that.
We're gonna get some 40 rolls going on too.
Yeah. Man,
We're gonna play it safe out there.
yeah, for sure, man. Especially around here, man. There's, there's a lot of cops around here too.
You should.
At least anyway, in this area. Once we get on 41, it might be a different story. So we'll see, man. But yeah, man, everybody got their dope whips out here, man. I love, man. Everybody showed up, man. This is love for real, for real. Like I said, man, we getting ready to get on the road, man, in a little bit, and then once we get there, man, we'll keep the footage going. Actually, this is going to be just rolling to the event. We're just gonna roll to the event, and after we get there, man, I click this camera back on, man. We'll do the rest, man. But anyway, as you can see, man, it's a lot of cars, a lot of people, man, lots of love. Can't ask much more than that, man.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
What's up, man? Are you enjoying it so far? Yeah? You like it? Exciting? But hey, I'll tell you what, man. You know, Mopar guys, man, we can have some nice cars, but I'll tell you one thing we can do is get organized.
No, we can't get organized. That's what I just said. I go to the line and just ride.
One thing we can't do is get organized, man. That is our worst enemy, man. We cannot get that together.
That's who we're waiting on.
Yeah. All right, man. So you guys seen that, man. Hopefully you guys caught a lot of it. Got my man Keith over there, toward the cat walking away. But yeah, man, we just parked back here, man. You can see all the Mopars back there, man. Look at that. All lined up and pretty. So we got about 30 cars deep, man. So anyway, so yeah, man, we just pulled in. Actually probably been here for about 20 minutes now, man. Everybody wiped down their cars and everything else. So now we're getting ready to the track hawk back there. So anyway, man, so now we're getting ready to go walk around, man. Like I said, I'm cutting this video, or not this video, but we're cutting today into about 3 different videos, man, because if not, it'll just be a super long video. So I'm gonna close this one out and make sure you guys, and then make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one. The next one's gonna show the actual car show. What's up, man? There's a lot of good turnouts out here. Again, Florida, man, Florida has a lot of different cars, man. There's a lot of different variety. So we're gonna go walk around, man, show you guys the car show out here. So stay tuned to that, man. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Comment down below, man. Let me know what you guys think about it, man. And as I always say, man, we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.